And from Beijing to the largest cities in the United States, celebrations of Chinese New Year are only getting bigger, and the festive spirit is only getting stronger. From 3 major Chinatowns in New York City, Karina reports.
This Manhattan neighborhood is New York City's most famous and historical Chinatown. Chinese immigrants began settling the area in the 1880s, working mainly as laundrymen. The population really exploded in 1968, when immigration laws made it easier for Chinese to settle in the United States. Most spoke Cantonese.
In the early days, the gold rush, the building of the railroad, were people from Taishan and from southern China. But lately now is more of from all over.
The area is also the cultural center of Chinese life in New York City. All around the neighborhood, there are family associations like this one for the Chen family that help newcomers and others establish themselves. Wellington Chen is the executive director of the Chinatown Partnership, which seeks to preserve and promote Manhattan's Chinatown. He says one of the biggest challenges for the neighborhood is gentrification.
The price of the real estate, the price of the property taxes have made it so much more difficult and challenging for the existing businesses to remain.
So many are leaving and starting businesses in other boroughs of New York City.
This Chinatown in Brooklyn, called Sunset Park, is the fastest growing Chinatown in New York City. It's currently the second largest Chinatown in the city, but it's on track to become #1 in the next few years.
The Chinese began arriving here in the late 1980s, and most of them spoke Cantonese. Now, Mandarin is the main language. The recent wave of immigrants to the area is mainly from Fuzhou, the capital of Fujian province. Cheaper rents, ample space, and parking have made it a hot spot.
There is no question that the Chinese community is growing by leaps and bounds in Brooklyn, and we say bravo, bravo, bravo.
New York City and Company, the city's official tourism organization, recently began promoting the 3 Chinatowns, including the biggest, in Flushing, Queens. Most of the inhabitants here are Mandarin-speaking and moved here because they couldn't relate to the Cantonese-speaking culture in Manhattan. There's also a large Korean population.
I must tell you that the Chinese are entrepreneurs. When they get here, from wherever they came from, when they come here, the first thing they want to do is go into business.
According to Chen, that entrepreneurial spirit has created competition among the 3 Chinatowns, but also cooperation. The private shuttle buses that run all day between them show that they are all still intertwined. Karina, CCTV, New York.